Hey, I hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys a particular program from a certain lender that I deal with where you only need 1% of the purchase price. That's right, 1% of the purchase price to purchase a single family residence. Stay tuned. What's up, everyone? My name's Ryan Meeks. If it's your first time to my channel, feel free to subscribe. I try to put out as much content as I can that will make your move, your buy, your sale to Arizona that much easier. So in today's video, I just want to tell you guys about a particular program that may work for you, may work for a friend, may work for someone that you know, but it is really a program that will help those. Let's say you just got married, went on a honeymoon, came back, you've depleted your life savings on your wedding and your honeymoon, but you and your wife or you and your significant other want to go ahead and purchase a home. Well, this program will make that really easy for you guys as long as you fit the qualifications to purchase that home and you have 1% to put down. So let's go over what some of those qualifications are. And then at the end, what I'm gonna do is just kind of take you guys through a little scenario. If there's a property that you see online, how you can go ahead and check. Just throwing a disclaimer out there, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it on your own, but at the end of the day, you will need this lender to go ahead and check and just triple check that the property does qualify. So anyways, with that, let's talk about the qualifications for the program. Now, first and foremost, this has to be a primary residence. So it can't be an investment property. It can't be anything that you're gonna be renting out short-term, long-term. So it's really gotta be your primary residence. And at the time of purchase, you cannot own any other property. So you can't own a house and then say, I'm gonna move to this house, have that previous home be a rental, and then have a new single family home. So in order to qualify for this program, it does have to be your first primary residence. However, it doesn't have to be the first time you're purchasing a home. It just has to be the only one that you are going to own. So basically, you can't own any real estate in order to qualify for this program. So I own my house. I can't take advantage of this program, unfortunately. Now, the minimum down payment, like I said, hence you clicked on the thumbnail, is indeed 1%. Now, the maximum loan amount is something that you have to keep in mind. You can't go buy $1 million home and put down 1%. The maximum conforming loan limit for 2022 is $647,200. So you'll have to work the math backwards. Basically, you're probably not going to be able to purchase anything over $700,000. You're probably going to want to keep it between $650,000, $675,000, depending upon how much you're putting down. But that loan that you're going to be taking out cannot be more than $647,200. And this changes yearly, so that may go up here at the end of 2022. Now, the minimum credit score is a 620 to qualify for this program. Now, if you do have a 620 credit score, from what I understand with the program, you can have a 45% debt to income ratio. And if you have a 650 credit score, you can have up to a 50% debt to income ratio. Now, one thing to keep in mind, this product is a 30-year fixed loan. And one of the really cool benefits about this is typically if you're going to purchase a home and you don't put 20% down, you get hit with what's called PMI, which is private mortgage insurance. With this particular program, there is no PMI, so that is going to save you hundreds every month on your payment. Another great requirement about this program is they only require you to have 1 month in reserves in order to qualify for the program. So if you're purchasing a home, your payment's gonna be $4,000 per month. They only want you to have an extra $4,000 in the bank in order to qualify for this program. Another great thing about this program is, hey, if you come back from that honeymoon and mom and dad didn't get you a present, they didn't pay for the wedding, well, they can always give you a gift or put some money towards closing costs. Basically, this program does not allow gifts. So that's a great way to start your home ownership adventure. So another great thing about this program is there's no income restrictions from what I understand. Now, these could change, so double check with our lender before you go ahead and you say you make $300,000 and you don't qualify. But from what I understand, there are no income restrictions. Properties do not have to be in a low or moderate census tract area. So that's calculated based on the amount of income. If you're in a low So those programs were offered by lenders such as Bank of America. And really what that means is that you have to be in a low or moderate census tract area, which in other words means, so let's go ahead. I'm going to show you guys a little bit on the internet here how you can go ahead and check these properties yourself, see if a property that you're interested in does qualify. All right, so if you're interested in this link, go ahead, fill out the information below, send me your info so I can get all of this over to you, as well as our preferred lender that is doing this program. There's really only one company that's doing it, so I'll get all that information over to you guys. So let's go ahead and go through the product here. All right, so I'm gonna go to Zillow.com right now. I'm gonna look at my community, see if there's any homes within it that qualify. So first, let's go to Zillow.com. Let's just go ahead and we'll type in my neighborhood here. Let's see what's available. All right, so here we have one for 544. So with this particular program, if I'm doing the math correctly, 1% of 544,000 is gonna be $5,440 that you'll need to put down. Now keep in mind there are some closing costs as well associated with this, and we can get you guys some solidified numbers. Once you go ahead and send over a property, we can definitely get a total ballpark figure for you here. So looking at this, $5,440 is all you would have to put towards the loan. Now let's go ahead and take this address. So we got 4480 East Sundance Court in Gilbert. We're gonna go ahead and go to this website and we're gonna put in the address of the property that we are interested in. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that address in that I just got off of Zillow.com. And I'm gonna switch this year to 2021 because the census demographic data is not available yet for 2022. So we're switching it to 2021. We're hitting search and you can see it's kind of zooming in on the property. And from here, we're gonna hit census demographic data. We're gonna go from the bottom 4 up to tract minority percentage. As long as this number is over 30, this property qualifies. So this is right in my neighborhood. So you can get a beautiful home in Power Ranch for only 1% down using this program, and you can live and hang out by me. What more can you ask for, right? So a great opportunity for you guys, and I hope you definitely take advantage of this if it sounds like it's something that's right for you.